So, how's it going? Hope you're all okay, hope you're all staying safe. As you all know, we are all in a lockdown, especially here in the UK, so I hope you're all okay. But today, I thought I'd do something different and I'd make Dalgona coffee. Now, I know I've probably said that wrong, my pronunciation is absolutely awful. So, yeah, it's also known as frothy coffee, it's quite popular at the moment. It does take quite a bit of time to make. So I thought I'd give it a go and see what it tastes like, see if I can do it right and see if my mum likes it too. So I'm going to make two different versions, one for me and one for my mum, because I drink coconut milk and my mum drinks normal milk. So let's have a go and hopefully I won't do this completely wrong. Good luck to me. Bye. Do I have a whisk? Do we have a whisk? Probably not.
Are you supposed to drink it?
You just... Wait there. How do you drink it? I never thought that. Oh, most people mix it in. Maybe I should mix it in. There you go.
It's really strong and sweet.
I don't think she likes it.
It means you have to make that thing and just go for it. Blood milk.
That's better. Do I have a moustache? That's better now, it's all mixed in. Do you want it mixed in? I still got a really strong taste of coffee.
You mean just...
Oh, that's loads better.
Looks like a goopy mess now.
I think that does it for that video.
That's better.
Yeah, it's nice, but only if you mix it in. If you don't, I still got that really strong bitter taste of coffee in my mouth. Our mistakes